Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing and first look at the VILTROX 23mm F1.4. So right off the rip, you pull off this little slidey slide. We just slide this on out. And you're first greeted with the warranty card. We don't need that because we don't break things around here. And then you also get an instruction manual. We also don't need that because we don't read. So inside the box we have a nice little microfiber pouch to carry the lens in, which is great. I love it when companies include stuff like this to carry your equipment. Alright, here we go. And here we have it, the VILTROX 23mm f1.4. Right off the bat, it is built amazingly. It's built all out of metal. I probably shouldn't be doing that to the lens. When you compare this lens to the Canon kit lens, it's two completely different build qualities. This one is leaps and bounds better quality than this one. It comes with a nice little lens hood that you can take off and then pop right on like that. Another really cool feature I like about this is that it has a manual aperture ring. So on the fly, you can change your aperture, which I think is really cool. I'm really excited to give this lens a try. I'm going to be using it all this week, so expect a full review of the VILTROX 23mm f1.4 lens next week, or maybe, definitely next week. Not maybe, definitely next week, on Monday. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.